how to list on eBay using their new mobile update to upload photos, pictures to your eBay listings. In this video, I'm going to take you through it step by step using a mobile screen share so that you can see exactly what buttons to push to upload your photos, your pictures on eBay so you can sell your items. That has been the biggest question I've received in the last several days is, Michelle, what did eBay do to the mobile update? They have done an update and it is a little different, but hang with me. I'm going to show you exactly what to push so you can get those pictures loaded quickly. Okay, so just like I said, we're going to go ahead and go through the mobile app for eBay and just go over a little bit of the things that have changed a bit since they've done the recent update. I know I've had a lot of questions recently of how to upload photos in the mobile app since it has changed. So I'm just going to walk you through this listing on this mobile screen share so you can see exactly how you can do it for yourself. Okay, so I'm just going to enter in Canon wireless remote. All right, we're going to create this listing. We're going to make sure we pick the right categories always. So I'm just going to enter here. I'm going to create a new listing. I like to do that. I know some sellers will use some of the pre-filled templates, but I find that I would rather know that all the buttons that I've selected on this is exactly what applies to the specific item that I'm selling. So we'll say this one's a used item. Okay, so right here in this photo, this is the part that has changed. You'll want to go ahead and push that plus button, and then you hit the camera. And so here's my remote. I'm going to take a picture of it. Of course, you'd want it on a white background typically. All right, so you can keep taking pictures. So I'm going to take a picture of the back of it. I'm going to take a picture. We might do it sideways. You know, you get the picture. Haha. No pun intended. All right, you can do up to 12. Then we're going to hit done when we're completed. We have completed putting those in there. All right, so now we can go to the next step. We're going to hit on. So now it's already pre-populated that in our listing. We can hit the title. We want to make sure we optimize that by putting all the keywords possible. So I typically learn what to enter here based on the competition or the sold comps, what has performed well. If there's a model number, I would enter that in there, model number, you know, and so on. We enter done. You want to use all the characters you possibly can for that listing. Item specifics. This is huge for eBay, especially because majority of all people searching online are doing it through their mobile phones. So, and the way that the Google or the eBay's algorithm, so to say, or a listing format, their search engine is set up is to be optimized when you fill in all of these item specifics. So it would behoove you to take the time to go through and actually enter in as many of these specifics that you know. When in doubt, if you do not know the answer to the specific, just keep going along. It would be better for you not to leave the spot empty than to put something in that's not correct to the item that you're selling. So we enter in. If you're enjoying these videos, will you take a moment to give it a thumbs up? It tells YouTube that I'm doing a good job, and it will help share these videos with more people that are looking for the same type of content. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a new video to help start and grow your own successful eBay business. Okay, back to the video. So we enter in. So as you see here, kind of get the picture. All right, so we're going to enter done. Now we go into our category. We make sure that's correct. We enter our description. This is really good, especially for when people are using their desktop devices to search on eBay. So I'll typically repeat the title on this one. And I have a little template that I upload into it. All right, and so on. And we'll hit done. Pricing, you want to make sure that you have it. I typically do not use the auction unless it's a special item that would be best on there. If you want to choose, it'll tell you what the trending price is. If you want it to be good to canceled, offers. I typically will allow offers unless the price is kind of low. So for this one, I wouldn't sell this if it was only $9.90, just because of based on my business model. But this is just for sake of an example. Okay, so now we hit done. Now we're going to go down here to our settings for our delivery. And I already have that pre-populated based on the templates that I've set up in the system. PayPal. And then you're good. You can go ahead and list the item, or you can click save for later. And you are. I hope you received a lot of value out of this video. I love to take time to make these videos for you to help you to have an easier process reselling on eBay than I did when I first got started, when there wasn't even YouTube for people to show you how to resell on eBay. The biggest way that you can show me that you're enjoying these videos is to like this video. It tells YouTube that I'm doing a great job, and therefore will show my video to other viewers so I can help them as well. Also, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss future videos as I upload them constantly for you, so to help build your own eBay business. This is Michelle, Paladin Global Market. I have a special gift for you in the description below. I have a coupon code for you off of my online course. So if this is something you would like to do, or you would like to learn more about having your own eBay business, make sure you check it out. If you'd like to sign up for our email list, my link in the description below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Happy reselling. Hi, this is Michelle with Paladin Global Market. I am the author of the ebook eBay Consignment the Easy Way and the online course creator of starting your own successful eBay business. Make sure that you hit the email description using their new. You're trying to learn from this content. Also, so that you don't miss future in your smartphone devices. It has and YouTube will note. This is Michelle with Paladin Global Market. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.